Hey guys, and welcome to today's first reading assignment. So make sure you watch the entire video today because I'm going to be showing you how to do everything. So um, today's reading assignment is on literal and non-literal meanings. So what that is words and phrases often have more than one meaning. So they can mean more than one thing. I have an example right here. It says, sometimes words and phrases mean exactly what they say. For example, the words took steps can mean walked or literally took a step. The sentence says, the hungry lion took steps toward the baby elephant, which means that the lion took steps towards the baby elephant. So took steps means he walked or stepped closer to that baby elephant. But then we have another sentence where the phrase is took steps too. Let's see what this meaning is. Sometimes words and phrases have a meaning that is different from their usual meaning. The words took steps can also mean took action or acted. So let's read the sentence. The mother elephant quickly took steps to protect her baby. So when the hungry lion up here came towards the baby elephant, the mother elephant quickly took action to protect her baby. Okay, so let's practice real quick. All right, we're going to read the sentence first and then look at some of the clues in the sentence. Here we go. A tired elephant calf drops off after playing all morning. So my question is, what is the meaning of the phrase drops off? Okay, so let's read the sentence again and think about what we might think drops off means. A tired elephant calf, so a baby elephant, drops off after playing all morning. So I've got some clues here. We've got a baby elephant, okay? The elephant calf is what you call a baby elephant. So the baby elephant is what? He's tired, okay? Why is he tired? Because he's been playing all morning. So what do we think it means that he drops off? Let's look. Does it mean A, goes to sleep? Maybe because it's a baby elephant. He's tired because he's been playing all morning. Does it make sense for him to go to sleep? Maybe. Let's go. A tired elephant calf lets go after playing all morning. What do you think about that one? Do you think that's the meaning of drops off? He's tired from playing all morning, so he says, let's go. I don't think so. Let's look at C. Falls down. A tired elephant calf falls down after playing all morning. Does that one make sense? I think a little bit, but is it our best answer? Do you think he's just going to fall down from playing all morning when he's tired? He could, but I think our best answer would be goes to sleep. Okay, so now it says your turn. We've got some questions in here. So my example here was already been done for you. So this says, copy and paste this chart in your response. Highlight your answers in your favorite color. There will be a video here on how to do that. So click on the video here, watch to see how to turn this in. Got it? I'll see you in a second.